everybody, how are you guys doing today? My name is Kamari. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm coming to you with a what's in my bag video. And I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag on this backpack right here, which is the Coach Pennie 22 in the color Ivory. But before we get into the video, I wanted to share something with you all. I was recently gifted a beautiful bouquet from Rose Forever. If you're not familiar with Rose Forever, they are a New York based company. They sell beautiful roses that last up to a year. They use natural oils to preserve the roses, and they have a wide selection of different color roses as well as different kinds of flowers, boxes, and styles to choose from. And if you're new to my channel, I have worked with Rose Forever before. They previously sent me this beautiful purple rose box that I gifted to my daughter to use to store her sunglasses. And now let me show you what they sent me recently. So these are the pink suede roses 16. They come in this beautiful suede box. And as you can see, you get 16 beautiful pink roses, and I love these so much. They're so freaking pretty, and I use them to display here in my office. And here you see on the front here that it has the pretty Rose Forever logo. And then of course you get this top that you can remove and store on top of the roses or put at the bottom here. Rose Forever was kind enough to provide me with this $25 off coupon code. So if you want $25 off your next purchase, use code MARI25 at checkout. So as I mentioned previously, I'm doing a what's in my bag on my Coach Pennie 22. Now Coach no longer sells this bag anymore, but they do have something similar at retail. I believe it's called the Coach Riya 21. Since carrying this bag, I have fell in love with this bag. It holds all of my essentials plus more, and I've gotten a few compliments on it since wearing this bag. So this is what the bag looks like in the front. It has this exterior pocket right here with the magnetic button closure. And then in the back it has this hoop right here that holds both of the straps. And then it has the straps right here which are adjustable. And then this is the bottom of the bag. And then this is the top of the bag. Here you see that beautiful Coach gold logo. And then on the side here I just have this cute pom-pom that I got off of Amazon that has like this leopard on it. So now I'm going to show you what I keep in my bag. hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.